Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable game mode on Windows 11. So this is not a new feature but must on feature, must enabled feature when you are a gamer. As a gamer, please, you need to turn this on. You need to use this option because this option allow you to focus and like do not disturb mode on your device. This game will not this feature will not allow notification and like mute the system and close all things on the background that can prevent your game experience. So let's try to turn on by click on start icon and go to the settings, and next you can click on gaming, and third option is game mode. Optimize your PC for play and turn this on. Game mode optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background, so such as the game mode prevents the Windows Drive update, restart notification, and helps to improve stabilize frame rate. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.